All right, here is the Musubi mold kit. Okay, here's the actual Musubi maker right here. And then it comes with a large or small. This is the small one. Small, like individual, like look like little triangle shapes, right? So you can make like a triangle shape style with whatever you want to put, like different ingredients from rice and different types of fish inside here. And then it has like the little push down on the top right there. Same thing with this one. This one's just a larger size. Okay, it's the same thing as a smaller size, but this one's a larger. Okay, this one opens up at the top. It comes with a little rice scooper too. And then the mold right here, the Musubi mold, you can obviously press it down like that and have that little thing. And I'll show you an example of how we're gonna go ahead and use this kit. All right, go ahead and put some rice in Musubi mold kit. This is the actual side maker right here. So we have the rice in here, just pushing it down. Got the spam inside there. We're gonna go ahead and use the top part of it and go ahead and push it down. All right. Then, yeah, that's. Go ahead and make this triangle shape one next. All right, we went ahead and put some spam in there. We put some rice over the top, but you can see, right, how the shape is coming out pretty nice. And I went ahead and basically mashed it down with that. Smash it down, and then look at bam. Okay, go ahead and flip this over, see how it comes out. Okay, press it down. Oh, look at that. Perfect. You're gonna see, well, one Musubi done. One Musubi done.